ये बहुत अच्छा संकेत है इस देश के लिए कि सभी देश की जनता का और जनता के माध्यम से माननीय सदस्यों की आकांक्षा जगने लगी है कि मेरे यहाँ भी एयरपोर्ट बन जाएगा। ये अच्छे संकेत है देश के लिए। एक बार नए नए आप सभी हैं, लेकिन 3 महीने में सारे डिपार्टमेंटों का अध्ययन कर लें। अगली बार पूरा जवाब परफेक्टली ये संसद के सत्र के अंदर।
ऐसा है सर, एक एयरपोर्ट की क्वेश्चन लिस्ट होता है और 157 एयरपोर्ट्स है सर। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी के वजह से जो 74 एयरपोर्ट्स थे अब 157 हो गए सर पिछले 10 साल में। तो अब तैयारी करने के लिए 157 का करना पड़ रहा है सर अभी।
क्वेश्चन नंबर 43 बालाशोरी
सर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 43
has been placed on the table of the house.
माननीय सदस्य।
Sir, first I congratulate Sri Ram Mohan Naidu Garu for becoming a civil aviation minister. He is the youngest minister in the cabinet and I wish him all the success. Sir, this airport, Vijayawada Airport, comes under my parliamentary constituency. As the chairman of Airport Advisory Committee, I have visited and reviewed the ongoing development works at the airport many occasions. These works were started 2019 and they were supposed to be completed by 2022. But till today, there is no major usable progress. Sir, what is the reason behind the delay? And since Honorable Minister is from my state, he understands the importance of this airport. It is our capital city's airport, that is Amravati, which is the new capital of AP.
Okay, माननीय मंत्री।
Therefore,
Supplementary
this airport is important for us. Sir, my question is, what is the new deadline for completion of this project? And how does this minister make sure that this time all the proposed works will be completed before the set deadlines?
Speaker sir, I totally agree with what the Honorable Member of Parliament has raised here, that this was work which was started in March 2020, June 2020, sir. And the overall estimated cost of the project was 611 crores. And there has been subsequent delay, which was observed because of the COVID that has happened. And also because, like the member has mentioned, I also come from the state, sir. It is the capital airport that we have. But for the last few years, there have been other external factors also in the state which has hampered the progress of this, especially due to the availability of sand and other materials in the state, sir. But right now, we are ensuring that it is going to be completed on time. I've taken it up as a top priority, and the new deadline that we have fixed is June 2025, sir, for this project.
Supplementary पूछना है?
Yes, sir.
जी, short में।
Sir, at the outset, let me also thank Honorable Minister as soon as he took the charge. He introduced 2 flights, Vijayawada to Mumbai. Earlier, there was no flight to Mumbai. This was a long pending demand. Sir.
And to Delhi. Vijayawada, Delhi.
Sir, and we are requesting, we need a flights from Vijayawada to Calcutta, Vijayawada to Varanasi, and additional flight to Delhi to Visakhapatnam and Tirupati also. And there is a demand for the flights to Sri Lanka, Thailand and Singapore also.
Okay.
So I would like to know from the minister whether these sectors are also in the consideration of the ministry level.
This will open up a whole new...
माननीय मंत्री जी,
Sir,
ये बहुत अच्छा संकेत है इस देश के लिए कि सभी देश की जनता का और जनता के माध्यम से माननीय सदस्यों की आकांक्षा जगने लगी है कि मेरे यहाँ भी एयरपोर्ट बन जाएगा। ये अच्छे संकेत है देश के लिए।
Sir, very much, sir. And like I've just mentioned, the infrastructure around airports has increased so much, and the last 10 years, a huge push has been given for civil aviation ministry. And right now, the way members are raising up their demands and asking for new airports or connectivity, it was almost, if you go back 10 years or 20 years back, it used to be the demand with railways, sir. तब railways से पूछते थे कि train चाहिए या फिर stop चाहिए. अब वो हालत airways में आ गया है, sir. तो airways is the new railways of the country, and I'm very proud about it. And especially regarding the connectivity, नहीं उसी के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ।
आप उनका जवाब मत दो।
दादा उसी के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ। Sir, but the honorable member has mentioned about the connectivity, but let me make it clear from the ministry, sir, we don't have any direct jurisdiction which where we interfere with the connectivity of the airlines. It is entirely a demand-driven process, market-driven process, and the airlines decide which connectivity. We offer the infrastructure. अगर एयरलाइंस बोलता है कि यहाँ से ये मैं वहाँ तक चलाना चाहता हूँ तो वी इंश्योर दैट देयर इज एयरपोर्ट कनेक्टिविटी ऑन बोथ द प्लेसेस बट what we do sir because there has been a big demand from all the members ki hame yahan se ye connectivity chahiye we are just forwarding the request to the airlines and asking them to favorably consider according to the demand of that airport sir
कल्याण बनर्जी जी, सुदीप बंदोपाध्याय जी।